Deputy President David Mabuza will visit the Biovac Institute, which is a public-private partnership between government and Biovac, to ensure that the country has enough domestic capacity to produce local vaccines. Let's cross now to our reporter, Samkele Maseko. A very good afternoon to you, Samkele. Tell us what's happening.
At this point in time in Zinga, we are at the Biovac facility in Midrand, waiting for the arrival of the Deputy President of the Republic of South Africa, also the chairperson of the Ministerial Committee looking at the rollout and the procuring of the vaccine for the country. We do know that another further doses of Johnson & Johnson did arrive into the country on Saturday, and effectively the government is rolling those out. At this point in time, I'm going to step out of shot as my colleague Kwazimanzi just shows you some of the visuals of the various individuals who are currently here, those who are working for Biovac, which is a storage facility for the Johnson & Johnson vaccine that has arrived in the country through Oral Tambo International Airport, which was fetched by South African Airways flight on Saturday over the weekend in Brussels. They arrived in the country for the first time that an SAA plane got off the ground and onto the runway since they went into the liquidation issues with those business rescue practitioners. But the Deputy President is coming to oversee the storage of these particular doses of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, which are currently stored in this storage facility here of Biovac here in Midrand. We don't know as yet whether the Deputy President will be accompanied by currently under fire Minister of Health, Dr. Zwelini Mkhize, and also the acting Minister in the Presidency, Khumbudzo Ntshabireng. We do expecting that they may be accompanying the Deputy President as part of them being in that interministerial committee that is chaired by Deputy President. He is expected to arrive here at 3 o'clock. But what is essential is that South Africa has said, through the words of President Cyril Ramaphosa when he addressed the nation on Sunday evening, that about 70,000 nurses at this point in time have been vaccinated. That is the frontline troopers in the fight against this invisible enemy, and that they would be going into phase 2 in the coming weeks or so of those who will be vaccinated and getting their singular doses of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. We do expect the CEO of Biovac, which is a partnership of government and the private sector, in ensuring that South Africa has the capacity to generate this particular vaccine and be able to also distribute it across the country.
Maseko giving us a throw forward to Deputy President David Mabuza's expected visit at 3 p.m. He'll be crossing to us until then and later on to give us more.